Hey guys, welcome to English Test World. There are 10 English questions in this video, whose answers will be shown after 5 seconds. If you need more time, pause the video and answer later. Let's start. Question 1. He is in very tired. He is falling asleep. Which one is correct? He is very tired. I'm going to make a shower, take a shower, do a shower. I'm going to take a shower. Question 3. I can't believe you went to school with your feet, on foot, by feet. I can't believe you went to school on foot. Question 4. He is not a doctor. Is he? Does he? Is he? He is not a doctor. Is he? Question 5. What is those people doing? All those people doing? Are those people doing? The correct answer is are. What are those people doing? Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Question 6. I'm very thirsty, hungry, tired. I can eat a cow. I'm very hungry. Question 7. United States is a beautiful city, town, country. United States is a beautiful country. Question 8. I think Josh is a little bit more taller, much taller than you. The correct answer is taller. I think Josh is a little bit taller than you. Question 9. He has got, is got a nice house. He has got a nice house. Question 10. The weather is very bad today. The air is very bad today. The weather is very bad today. It's raining cats and dogs. The correct answer is weather. The weather is very bad today. Congratulations, the exam is over. Please comment your score for me. Thank you.